So you have some knowledge and you want to share it. But is designing buildings the right place for it? The answer is yes. You can create articles about almost anything to do with the construction industry. And they don't have to be long essays. Sometimes a paragraph is enough. Maybe just explaining a new industry term that you've come across. The important thing is it's useful to other people. So here's a quick tutorial about how to share your knowledge on designing buildings. First, you need to log in or register. Just click the link at the top of the page. Then click the orange Create an Article button and type in the name you want to give your article. There's a quick check to make sure there isn't already an article with the same name. If there isn't, you'll be asked if you want to create it. Click on the link and that's it. Your new article will pop up in a text editor, ready for you to start writing. You can either type it from scratch or you can paste your text from somewhere else. Then click Save. You don't have to worry if it isn't finished. You might be partway through or you might have improvements you want to make later. That's fine. This is a wiki site, so everything is a work in progress. If you want to do more, just click Edit this article at the top and the editor will open again. You'll see when you save it, lots of links appear in the text. These link keywords to other articles on the site, and it's just a way of helping people navigate between subjects. And that's really it. Your article is live. It's ready for other people to find or for you to keep working on. Of course, you can do lots of other more complicated things to your article, like adding images or tables or putting your details at the top. And you can find out how on our help page. The link is in the description. So please do get writing. It helps improve the industry and it really is as simple as it sounds.